What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A3 Abe with the last aircraft review for this evening for Sunday, January 21st, 2017. Now, the airline I'm going to review was originally started in Germany, was started in Germany in 1923. But later changed its name to Lufthansa. But actually it wasn't that, it was Lufthansa. Taking the L-U-F-T and the H-A-S-A before it was later abbreviated to Lufthansa. Lufthansa's corporate headquarters is located in Munich, Germany. And Lufthansa today is one of the world's largest airliners. And according to Skytrax magazine, that Lufthansa is rated as one of the best airliners in the world. And this evening is no exception. Lufthansa AIRBUS A340-642. The customer code for Lufthansa's A340 fleet is 42. Well, from Airbus, I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft. Let me move this towards me. Starting with the sag ports and the PO tubes, the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. The Star Alliance livery, the L1 door, Lufthansa, the 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings, the winglet of the A340. This is the flaps up edition of the A340 as you see it on takeoff, like that. The registration of this aircraft, the Lufthansa crane, I'm running around, the APU and the horizontal stabilizers for the A340-642. Reportedly, that Lufthansa had stowed most of their Airbus A340-642s at an aircraft boneyard in Spain. This was an ultimate aircraft to be spotted. Newark Liberty International Airport, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, Denver International, Houston, George H. Bush Intercontinental, Miami International Airport, Los Angeles International Airport, San Francisco, Tokyo Narita, and Beijing Capital, where this plane had mostly flown to. But it was mostly the A340-300s from Lufthansa that made the trek from Munich and from Frankfurt to Newark, New Jersey. Now, we're on the port and starboard side of the aircraft, the Lufthansa crane. The registration of this aircraft, come around, the massive tailplanes of the A340, the 4 Rolls-Royce 42 type turbofan engines. The first cargo door, just in the first class section, the area where the food is served to passengers in first class, and to both to the captain and the first officer. The seating capacity for the A340-642 is around about 524 passengers in a 3-seat configuration. Now, not like Gemini jets where they have the landing lights, but I have my video camera, I have my smartphone pointed right at the nose gear. And you can see that on the landing gear. On this aircraft right here, you can see 3 sets of main landing bogies as the aircraft is making its final approach. Now, that's it for this aircraft review. I would like to send a shout out to both Midget HD and 777 Die Hard Forever. Guys, you did the review of this aircraft. Now, I'm doing this review, and I'm going to post this video to YouTube so you guys can see it. Alright, that's all for now. This is Captain 8380 signing off for now, but if you're leaving on a business trip, be careful, be safe, and may God be with you. And I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. This is Captain 83E signing off for now. Until next time, have a good night.